Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll do the CPU throttling test on the OnePlus Nord 2 with using high performance mode after the recent software update. Yes friends, just yesterday only I did receive the software update in the OnePlus Nord 2, and let's see how is the CPU throttling going to be there after the recent software update. So this is the August security patch update which I did receive. Let me show you the details. As you can see friends, these are details about the update, and this is the graph which I got before the update, which is after update number 2. Right now I did receive the update number 3. So this is the graph before friends. As you can see, try to keep an eye on this graph. So this is before the update. So this is how I did use high performance mode. Let's see with the update number 3 what will be the CPU throttling, how much it can actually affect. That is what I'm going to concentrate in this video. And meanwhile, in case if you want to know more details about this OnePlus Nord 2 after the software update, what are the problems and what are the things got added, so make sure to follow the playlist which I created for the OnePlus Nord 2. So all these videos which I did upload recently within 1 day and few hours ago, as you can see all these videos. So this playlist will be clearly helpful for you only friends. So make sure to watch the playlist and stay tuned for more updates. And right now I'm trying to use the same settings, 50% brightness only, and let's go to the battery and turn on the high performance mode first. Yes, high performance mode is turned on. Clear everything from the background, everything is perfectly clean, and 50% brightness, same settings I'm trying to use what I used before. And let's start the test without wasting any time. And the temperature right now it's of 31 degrees in the beginning of the CPU throttling, 31.2 degrees, not bad, 31.4. So during this process of demonstration, I'll try to keep an eye on few things. For example, the temperatures, how much it can actually increase, and how is the graph maintaining, how is the curve, and what is the minimum, maximum, and the average scores, which is in this lags. As you can see, that is what I'm going to concentrate. What will be the maximum number? So these are the things after the recent update which I'll try to do. As I said, I'm still testing this kind of update friends on the OnePlus Nord 2, and there are a couple of other issues as well with this update which a lot of users did inform me as well. I'll try to make another video what are the bugs can happen with the latest update in this OnePlus Nord 2. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. As I said, please try to follow only this playlist. So you'll get confused when you watch my videos. So that is the reason. Try to save this playlist in the YouTube, and only then you'll be able to check all the updates about the OnePlus Nord 2. If you're having this device, you should definitely must save this playlist friends, otherwise it will be really helpful for you. So again, I'll be back after 5 minutes of time, maybe 5 or 10 minutes of time. Then we can actually check what is the highest temperatures recorded during this process of demonstration. So right now, as you can see friends, the time is about close to 5 minutes of time. Let's check the temperatures. It's of close to 40.8 degrees, 41 temperature. As you can see, after 5 degrees, not bad. 41 degrees is the highest recorded temperature so far. 41 degrees in this OnePlus Nord 2 after 5 minutes of time. As you can see friends, exactly. So again, I'll be back after maybe close to 10 minutes of time. Then we can actually discuss in more details what is happening with the graph. So right now we're getting close to the end of the testing as well. It's about 13 minutes at this point, and the temperature reached up to 42.6 degrees. That's the highest. As you can see, 42.6 degrees as well. It went up to. So backside 41 degrees, and my room temperature is pretty low. It's only 30 degrees. As you can see how high the temperatures went. So 42.2 degrees. 42.6 is the highest so far reached in the OnePlus Nord 2 during the process of demonstration. As you can see, exactly. So let's see friends with the final score what will happen, how much CPU will be throttled with this update, which is August security patch update. So that is what I'm going to focus in this video. Let's see. And in case if you want me to test any other videos, let me know in the comment section below friends. And very soon I'll try to do another video as well on describing about what kind of bugs I did find in this kind of OnePlus Nord 2. What are the bugs? Yes. So that is what I'm going to talk in the next upcoming videos. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos as well. So right now it's of close to 14 minutes of time. So only 1 more minute left. So we'll be able to see the graph, how it is. I think till now the graph looks kind of okay, I would say. I cannot see any kind of red color indication at this moment. I cannot see any red, as you can see clearly. So let's see friends what happens with the final result. And only few minutes left, only few seconds, sorry, I think 40 seconds. Right now we're getting end of the CPU throttling test as well, as you can see friends, exactly. So after this I'll try to take the screenshot and I'll try to save in the gallery, and finally the CPU total up to 82%, as you can see, exact, not bad. So highest is 346, average is 308, and minimum is 263. Let's open the gallery, and before update I'll try to show you what is the details. And I think yeah, this is a graph. So before After the software update 2, it throttled up to 73%, but right now it throttled only up to 82%. That's fantastic, friends. So overall, after the software update, if you use the high performance mode, the throttling is slightly got better. You can see minimum is 232 before, right now the minimum is 263. Average is 296 before, and right now average is 308. Highest is 356, highest is 346. So not bad in terms of the throttling at all. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and for more interesting videos, make sure to stay tuned for more updates on this OnePlus Nord 2. As I said, don't forget to follow the playlist. Only the playlist will help you to solve all the issues with the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.